We are underway. This is a chance ball right away for DLSU. Nunag loves these. And Reterta, what a way to start things off.
Out of system to overlap the ball, and LaSalle going that for the combination play for Reterta.
Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex from 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Here's the thing, Sophie. Wow! Before that, I forgot my train of thought.
Really a good setup for Angel Canino, spiking that hard cross.
Spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin, pasalubong ng bayan. Beast mode na si Chev. Sabi baka may final version pa. I can't imagine na may isa pang version ni Chevana Lapot na mas malakas pa.
And she's clearly not just focusing on the skill itself. She wants to be a leader. And that's what we're talking about. Spiking above the blockers of the Fighting Maroons, targeting always the setter. That's really a good play for Itang, that running spike. Alam natin na forte niya talaga yon.
Nunag, Reterta. You know, Shane Reterta, she delivers.
We can see that again. It's been very effective since the first set, the combination play. Pag open hitter ang pumupuls.
Makikita mo sa galaw ni Shane Reterta.
And even just the vibe and the aura, pag nasa loob siya ng court, pag nasa harap blocker here in the UAAP.
Makalimutan. Like a one-handed set, it won't work. Nunag. She has worked well with her middle blockers as Provido. Now with
giving the most comfortable set to Amy Provido, just spiking through the hands of Jazz there. Still they're trying.
Respect. What a set. What a hit.
Take a look at that. That speed, that elevation, and that swing is just in a perfect timing for that hit.
DLSU.
Ooh.
And a service ace.
Actually, the LaSalle has been serving well.
Cajero dug by De Leon. Back row again. Canino rolls it and it drops for set point.
But again, the veteran Angel Canino just playing around with her variation, making the defense of.
I think Itang now is in the front row as well, which is good news for UP. Canino.
Canino has been playing so well. You will see a pointed hard spike and now just variating on that long shot. So, as the defense of UP, hindi mo alam kung anong babantayan.
Wow, quick attack.
Perfect volleyball there, Jaime. Good pass, good setup.
Spike of the set brought to you by Dunkin. Pasalubong ng 11 serving 8 Nunag. Full front line. And a service ace.
UP has to be mindful with that.
So, a response here from LaSalle after the run by UP, and it's their turn. Jazz now full front line with Olangwa at the back as an option. Nunag from the middle, Laput. Unstoppable play.
The combination play at that. Chevana Laput just spiking that hard in cross.
This power play is brought to you by MWell UAE. Nunag tried to 1-2 play. High set, Reterta. Ginawa ng paraan.
Kitang-kita natin, she just made through it.
Sway your way moment of the game brought to you by Sunsilk. Setter for UP, that's Julia De Leon seeing action for the first time. Shana Nunag, back set. What a set. Perfection.
A perfect setup.
Of the set brought to you by Dunkin. Pasalubong ng bayan. Kakahawak pa lang ng bola. Parang narinig kita eh. Perfect.
Yes. Wow.
Ball reception, minimize errors, and more variety in sets to break through LaSalle's blockers, telling them to play intelligent. This is our Sunsilk courtside report. Try the new Sunsilk with Amino Silk Complex for up to 200% smoother hair. Sway it with Sunsilk. Now back to you, Jaime and Maggie.
Combination play for Chevana Laput works, but De Leon. Chance ball, LaSalle. Shana loves these. Good save.
Another middle activation there for Lilay Del Castillo. Senior, you want to create an impact there. Take a look at that drop ball. Grabe ang taas ng reach niya. Wala na set.
Nunag quickly to Lilay.
We can see Lilay being aggressive in front, and Shana Nunag has been activating Lilay Del Castillo. The blockers are late because they're expecting to give the ball to
She is our best player of the game, Shana Nunag, Maggie.
Shana Nunag shows no really cheaters in any game of LaSalle, just orchestrating the perfect setup for their spikers there. Kitang-kita natin yung comfortability, yung confidence, and yung decision-making niya in terms of giving the ball to their spikers. And we can see also the character keeps getting hungrier and stronger every game. Take a look at Shana Nunag there. Sinasabi ko nga always, Jaime, hindi ko na siya kino-consider as someone na rookie. I'm considered as someone seasoned there. Kasi syempre, no, grabe yung diskarte niya. And kitang-kita mo walang kaba sa kanya. Especially on times na parang crucial moments, mas nagsi-step up pa siya.